You spend hours building the perfect prospect list, but by the time you're done, it's already out of date.
Yeah, it's a huge problem. Roles change, companies pivot, and your promising leads just vanish into thin air.
So what's the real issue? Well, old-school prospecting is just way too slow. It's all manual work on bad data.
And when I say bad data, I mean it. Get this, up to 70% of it goes stale every single year.
That kind of data decay costs U.S. businesses a staggering $3 trillion. Think about that.
So what if you had an AI prospector, like a super smart research assistant that just never sleeps?
This isn't sci-fi. AI can now automate the whole process, finding you leads that are actually ready to buy.
Okay, but how does it actually work? Let's break it down into 4 simple stages.
First, a smart AI crawler scours the web, kind of like a detective sniffing out clues for new leads.
And the results are huge. This approach finds 3 times more relevant leads than older methods. Seriously.
Then, the AI reads everything, pulling out key info like, say, a new funding round or a product launch. After that, a filter matches all that info against your ideal customer. It's all about finding that perfect fit.
And the accuracy is just incredible. We're talking almost 90% precision in finding genuinely good leads.
Finally, the AI creates a simple, easy-to-read summary for every single one of those qualified prospects.
Okay, that all sounds great, but does it actually work in the real world? Let's check out the data.
So check this out. You can see the AI actually gets smarter over time. The more it browses, the better it gets.
And compared to older keyword-based methods, it's not even a contest. The AI system just crushes it. But what do actual salespeople think? They loved the summaries, calling them concise yet comprehensive.
All right, let's pull back for a second. What does all this really mean for the future of sales?
And this is really important. This isn't about replacing people. It's about giving them an AI co-pilot.
So the big takeaways? We're talking massive automation, way better accuracy, and a huge shift to real-time intelligence.
Which kind of leaves you wondering, right? Where else is this kind of AI going to completely shake things up?